everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today I wanted to film a little weekend in my life vlog, and it's really nice weather today. It's so sunny outside, so I think we might do some gardening today, and I just wanted to share my day with you guys. So if you're new to the channel, you should subscribe so we can be friends, and let's get into the video. Welcome to the gardening section of the vlog, where I'm not actually gardening. We are just observing, and it's a great day for it. It's nice and sunny, but it's not too hot. I'm wearing my Santa t-shirt, my favorite shirt. Guys, look how beautiful it is outside. The garden just looks so peaceful. So we decided, well, I wasn't doing any of the work, I was just watching, to transplant the lavender plant into a bigger pot. Basically, so we could keep this one for just herbs inside of the kitchen on the windowsill. And here it is. So what are we putting in here after it's clear? Flowers, a pack of flowers that we bought. So we've got Livingstone daisy, creeping daisy,
We spent summer swimming in a sunset haze, color, crazy how fast it fades. Can't call you up when it's late at night, can't call it love.
Okay guys, so I'm back inside now, and the temperature difference is crazy. I was so hot outside, and now I'm wearing this, but my book delivery just came. I'm so excited. Look how pretty this cover is. It has so much detail. So this is going to be my next book, because I finally finished the last book in the ACOTAR series, and I have to take what I said back in my Get Ready With Me video. If you watched that, I said that was a bit boring, but that's because, I mean, the first half of the book was not my favorite. I felt like it was taking way too long to get to the action, but the second half was so good, and exactly what I love about the ACOTAR series. So now I'm finished with that, and there's actually another book coming in the series, so that's going to be exciting. I didn't know that was coming, but I just had to take that back because the ending of that book was so good. And I said I wanted to start reading Fourth Wing, and I'm so excited. I hope that I'm going to like the writing. I've never read any books by this author. I hope I'm going to enjoy it, and it's only like 500 pages, so I hope I'm not going to finish it too quickly. The last book I was on was about 800. If I'm really interested in a book, then I finish it so quickly. At least there's 3 books in the series, I think, so I hope I like it. And you just have to love Amazon Prime, because I ordered this yesterday and it's here already. So I think I'll be reading this tonight. Just gotta get a look at the spine because it's gonna get all dented after I finish reading it. I'm just watching Below Deck Down Under now, season 3. It's actually in, where was it? The Seychelles. So I don't know why this season's in Below Deck Down Under, because it's supposed to be Australia, but crazy drama in this season. But I'm just gonna stay on the couch and watch Below Deck, and then I'm going to read this. I don't know why I'm so out of breath, if you could hear that in these clips. I've been sick for like 2 weeks. Today's the first day I'm kind of feeling better, so that's why I'm vlogging. So that's it for now.
Color, crazy how fast it fades. Can't call you up when it's late at night, can't call it love, but at least we tried. Can't call you a friend when I'm in my head on a downhill dive. Can't call you cruel for changing your mind. I still can't call it a waste of time. I don't know what to call you if I can't call you mine. Is it miscommunication? Silence in between. One more awkward